Dear viewers, we are discussing about sources of organic compounds. Number one source was coal. Number two is natural gas. Natural gas is also known as methane gas or Sui gas because it has been originated from Sui, Balochistan. First of all, natural gas. It is very important short question. Write a note on natural gas. Write a short note on natural gas. Natural gas is low boiling point hydrocarbons. For example, methane, ethane, propane, butane, etc. Out of which methane has major portion. That is why we also called it methane gas. Now, how natural gas is produced? How the production of natural gas? Plants and animals buried and decomposed under the earth crust, then methane gas will be produced by decomposition of organic compounds. Now, what are the uses of natural gas? Natural gas is a cheap source of energy. Number one, natural gas is used in power production. Number two, natural gas is used in cement and fertilizer industry. Number three, natural gas is used as fuel for domestic purposes and in industries as well. And now the number third source of organic compound is petroleum. Petra means rock, oleum means oil. Petroleum means rock oil. Petroleum, it is a liquid source of organic compound. It is also called mineral oil or crude oil. What is crude oil? What is crude oil? Crude oil, mineral oil when extracted from the earth crust is thick blackish liquid called crude oil. My dear viewers, formation of mineral oil or petroleum, formation of petroleum or mineral oil takes place in sedimentary rocks. What are sedimentary rocks? Those rocks which contain fossils of animals are called sedimentary rocks. These rocks in which animals were buried millions of years ago and biological and chemical reactions took place in those organisms, animals, and they are converted into oil. Sedimentary rocks are also present in Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, etc. Crude oil is basically very thick. In order to use it, we will have to done fractional distillation of crude oil before using. Fractional distillation of crude oil. It is carried out in oil refineries. Oil is imported in the form of crude oil. Then we will refine it before use in oil refinery. There are three kind of oil refineries which are working in Pakistan. Number one, Attak Oil Refinery in Morga, Rawalpindi refine 1.25 million ton oil annually. Number two oil refineries in Karachi refine 2.13 million ton oil annually. And number three is Pak Arab Oil Refinery at Mahmadkot, Multan. These are the three oil refineries which are working in Pakistan. Dear viewers, next one is fractional distillation of petroleum. Refining of crude oil is carried out in fractional distillation. What is fractional distillation? It is a process in which components are separated from each other depending upon their boiling points. Now, principal fractions obtained from petroleum. Number one, natural gas. The component which will come out first of all in the form of vapors whose boiling point is less than 20 degrees Celsius is natural gas. It has 4 carbon atoms from methane to butane. It is used as fuel and as petrochemicals. What are petrochemicals? Petrochemical means that it is used as fuel in vehicles. Number second fraction is petroleum ether. It has boiling point range 20 to 60 degrees Celsius. It has carbon atoms from carbon 5 to carbon 6 and it is used as solvent. Number third fraction is ligurion or naphtha. It has boiling temperature range from 60 to 100 degrees Celsius and it has carbon 6 to carbon 7, that is hexane to heptane, and it is used as solvent and also used as raw material, means that different materials are produced from it in the form of raw material from naphtha. Number 4 is gasoline. It has boiling point range 40 to 220 degrees Celsius and it has carbon atoms from 6 to 8. It is also called high octane oil and it is used as motor fuel. Number 5, kerosene oil. It has boiling point range from 175 to 325 degrees Celsius. It has carbon atoms from carbonate to carbon 14 and it is used as heating fuel. Now next fraction is gas oil. It has boiling point more than 275 degrees Celsius. It has carbon atoms from carbon 12 to carbon 8 and it is used as diesel. It is used as diesel and heating fuel. We can get 20% gasoline from this process. We can get 20% gasoline from this process. Therefore, we will break kerosene oil and gas oil, in which we will have to break kerosene oil and gas oil so that we want to get more and more gasoline or petrol. Now number 7 fraction is lubricating oil and greases. It is a viscous liquid and it has more than 18 carbon atoms and it is used as grease or used in as lubrication. Number 8 fraction is paraffin. It is basically used as term for alkanes. It is solid or in liquid form. It has melting point 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. It has carbon atoms from 23 to 29. It is used as wax product. And last one is asphalt, जिसको हम लुक भी कहते हैं, रोड के ऊपर डालते हैं इसको, और पेट्रोलियम कोक. It is the remaining portion which is left behind is black solid residue which is called asphalt. It is used in roofing and preparation of roads and will act as reducing agent as well. This is all about the 3 sources of organic compounds, that is coal, petroleum and natural gas. Thank you very much my dear viewers for watching my video.